Rũrũ nĩ rũthingo rwa thingira wa iregi rũrĩa rũkoretwo rũriganĩtie na rũũĩ rwa Nairobi, mĩbango ya kũrũmomora ĩkĩambĩrĩria itemi-inĩ rĩa gũtemera rũũĩ rũrũ njĩra mũbango-inĩ wa gũtheria rũũĩ rwa Nairobi, kũgirĩrĩria mũiyũro wa maĩ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩoneka nĩruo kwaga njĩra. Mĩhang'o ĩno ĩtongoretio nĩ gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja na mwandĩki wa mĩhang'o yothe ya thingira wa iregi David Olechege.
We are guided by the notice as State House, and as you remember, Your Excellency, His Excellency the President spoke during his meeting with the County Assembly in your presence, and he committed that he want to support, he will be at the forefront to support this process. So we are also committed as State House, and we want to lead by example to ensure that the riparian land is restored.
It is just to show that the commitment for this restoration starts at the top, at the highest office. We've shown you where we've marked the wall at State House. Because of security, we will allow them to build where they should build. It is 10 to 15 meters. You've seen us marking here. I've marked down on that side. And then this will go down. And so everybody else, wanasema ukiona mwenzako amenyolewa, tia chako maji.
Maugĩte gũthondeka njĩra ya rũũĩ rũrũ rwa Nairobi nĩ gũkũhotithia rũũĩ rũrũ kũgĩa na njĩra, na rĩrĩa kwaura mũiyũro ndũrĩkoragwo ũkĩoneka ta ũrĩa gũkoretwo, thĩna ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩhutia mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi kwa ihinda.
For example, there's a river here. For us now to define now the riparian, we have to measure now the width of the river. If it is 10 meters, the riparian for both sides is 10 meters each. Right now we have measured here. We'll also measure the other side. We will not favor anybody because the law says very clearly how we are going to do it.
We have more than 50 billion shilling program that is already being executed, where we are creating transport corridors along the river. We are restoring the riparian with a number of meters depending on the size of the river. We are also building linear markets. Yesterday we broke ground in Gikomba for the market, and the residents and citizens were very happy. On top of that, we have seen what we've done in Kamkunji grounds. You'll see what is coming at Globe Cinema roundabout, which we've already cordoned off, and we removed the matatus there. So it's a whole transformation that will actually change the legacy of this city.
Moretia muingi wĩtĩkĩre kũnyitanĩra na thirikari mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩno handũ ha kũmĩtũngia ũregani, kuona mũico wa ũhoro nĩ aikari a Nairobi megũteithĩka na oho kũgacĩrithia ũtheru rũũĩ-inĩ rwa Nairobi.
The citizens were happy, they moved themselves in Gikomba, but unscrupulous, opportunistic politicians who are very disingenuous tried to incite those same citizens not to move. And they told them off. They told them, look, we are the ones who know the kind of environment we want to live in. None of those politicians cared when people were swept in their cars at Grogon.
Gary Fortnite TV, yetagwo Jenga wa Maboi.